In the ICR parameters section, you will be asked to set the expected value format, the expected minimum and maximum length, spaces and punctuation recognition, as well as the opportunity to use a lookup file or a lookup database table, in order to allow value verification, or automatic correction. Using a lookup table or file, software checks if the recognized value exists into a list of admitted values. If the value exists, field confidence rate will raise to 100. If not, field confidence will be reduced to 0. Optionally, you can let software automatically correct the recognized value, according to the most similar value of the list. For example, a name field recognized value, PICNARD, could be automatically converted to Richard. Lookup features can be easily managed by script 2, defining complex and customized operations. For example, the lookup database table can be set dynamically, according to a previously recognized value. In this way, if the gender field value is female, the field name lookup table may refer to female names only.